Gravy, gravy, gravy. We're gonna make a lot of gravy. Lot of gravy. Lot of gravy. Hello! Welcome back to Cook It Yourselves, where I'll teach you to cook it yourself. Watch till the end for my secret ingredient on how to darken it. Just a few ingredients we need. Butter, flour, chicken stock or any stock that you want. I have some additional stock here as well, and pepper. So for this recipe, we're gonna start with a chunk of butter. I have 3 tablespoons of flour here, and I have fondant here. This is the pot that I used to make my pork chop earlier. If you don't have anything that you're making the gravy for, it's okay to not use anything with fond. That's fine. Now we got our fire going. Just put it on low heat, medium to low. That's fine. And we're gonna start stirring to get our butter melted and get our fond off the pot. Right, so once the butter starts bubbling, we're gonna throw our flour in, and we are going to make sure that everything is well mixed. So what we're making is a roux of butter and flour. This will help thicken up our stock. This is where you control what you want the color of your gravy to be. So if you cook it for longer, it gets browner, your roux gets browner, then you get a browner gravy. If you want your gravy not to get too brown, then you can just start adding stuff now. So I want my gravy to be a bit on the darker side, and also, you know, I'm trying to cook off all the flour. So I'm gonna keep stirring. Gonna add the stock right now. And as you do that, you're gonna wanna whisk, 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 and be careful of the steam that comes up. Alright. You wanna whisk it so that it gets all smooth. Now I'm gonna add more of that homemade stock that I had left over, because we're gonna make a lot of gravy. Lot of gravy. Lot of gravy. So you can see that my gravy is kind of white because I didn't wait till it gets brown. The roux got brown, but it's fine. I'll teach you a hack in a bit. Right now we have already incorporated the roux with the liquid, so we're going to go to our next step, which is to add the pepper. You can add anything you like, honestly, but I'm trying to make this a pepper gravy, so lots of pepper for me. So what we're doing right now, we're just letting it thicken up a little bit before we add our secret ingredient to make it darker. And don't forget, ABC, always be cleaning. And now we're adding our secret ingredient, dark soy sauce. Just a little bit goes a long way. I want it even darker. Oh yeah. And now the taste test. Oh my gosh. We're good. Easy peasy gravy. Best gravy for everything. Mashed potatoes, rice, steak, pork chops. What else? Everything. Noodles. It's so easy. It took less than 10 minutes. And now you have a whole pot of gravy that you can use for the whole week. Yeah. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.